How to add a border around an image in Canva. This got really simple now in Canva. It used to be much more complicated, but now you can do a border around an image in Canva super quickly. Here's how you do it. First of all, we go to Photos, and then we simply click on an image to add it to our canvas. After that, we make sure that the image is selected. Then on top, go to Border Style. And now to add a border to your image, all you need to do is to either click one of these presets here, or simply increase the border weight. Let's have a look. The first one will add a regular border around our image. If we then increase the border weight further, then this will make the border around our image thicker. Or we can even round the corners using corner rounding. Now the second option here will add a dashed line around your image. The third option as well. And the fourth option here will add a dotted line around your image. For all of these you can also adjust the border weight and the corner rounding. And that's how you add a border around an image in Canva. Before I wrap this up, let me just clarify one more thing. If we right click on our image and then set the image as a background, when we then click on our image, we won't have border weight here anymore on top. So that means that now to get a border around an image, this border weight feature here actually can't be used anymore. So how can you add a border around an image if it is used as a background? Well, here's how you do it. Press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle to your design. Then click on the rectangle symbol on top. On the left side, select no color. This will remove the fill color of your rectangle. Then go to Border Style and increase the border weight. And you then have a customizable rectangle or even square here that you can adjust to your liking. Just click on it, and with these bar handles here now on the edges, you can adjust this element to any desired size. So simply drag it here on the left, drag it on top, drag it on the right, and then finally drag down here. And just like that, we created a border around an image in Canva even when the image is used as a background. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials. Bye!